Hello everybody and welcome to another mystery box function challenge. In the purple mystery box there is some math and your challenge is to figure out what it is. You can use the link in the description if you want to try this out yourself, and when you've got an idea come on back and see if we get the same thing. Alright, let's start with a 0. Okay, 0 is 1. How about 1? 1 is 1.5. 2? It's 2.25. So yeah, that looks like it's a curve because it went up a half and then 3/4 of a unit. Let's try 3. And that went up even more. How about a 4? Okay, so we've got, a fairly shallow curve here. It does seem to be accelerating in its growth. Let's go pretty far out. How about a 8? Oh, and that's way off the graph at 25. Okay, so let's look at some negative values. So that is 2/3 at -1. Interesting. And -2? Oh, okay. And that is actually 4/9. Okay, that's actually helping me quite a bit. I think I've got an idea about what this one is. Do you have any guesses based on the shape here? What I'm thinking is that this is an exponential, and I think it's got, well, so the trick is it's a pretty shallow one, right? So the trick is to figure out what is the base of the exponent. Anything at 0, power 0 is 1. So I don't think this has been moved up or down or left or right at all. So if 0 is 1, anything to the 0 power is going to be 1. But then we look at when we raise something to the first power, and we've got 1.5. I'm going to write that as a fraction, and 1.5 is 3/2. So what I'm thinking is we have 3/2 to the x, and it was these two that really made me think that. So this to the -1, 3/2 to the -1 power, what that does is flip the fraction upside down. So that's going to be 2/3, and that's what we got. And then this to the -2, 3/2 to the -2, you're going to flip it upside down, so you get 2/3, but then square. So 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. We get 4/9. That is 0.4 repeating. So I think we've got 3/2 to the x power. And I'm going to go ahead and take a look and see. Yeah, 3/2 to the x power. Let's go ahead and graph that as well. And you get that nice exponential curve, just a little bit more shallow than we might be used to with some larger base values. Well, how did that go for you? Were you thinking exponential? Let me know. Thanks, everybody.